kid will give you whatever you want.
Thank you, but you need to go with us in museum. What is that? That is very boring place. I don't want to go there.
But you have to come with us.
Okay, I will come.
In the scene, they all are going to the museum. Danny and Henry are very fascinated just by seeing the things on the wall, on the roof, and everywhere.
Look at this, look at this. Hey, come here, children, come here. And look at this pen. What do you think about this? And now tell me, how old is it? I am 11 years old. This pen must be 17 years old. Oh, it is not 17 years old. It is 300 years old. Oh. Okay, Mom, look at here. I want this. I want this. It's okay. I will leave it.
Mom and Dad are still visiting the museum, but Danny disappeared.
Oh my God, where is Daddy gone? Oh my God, Mama, Papa, they will scold me. And if he can beat me, oh my God, where is Daddy? I have to find him. Where is Daddy gone?
Henry opens a huge wooden door. He found Danny was playing there. He called Danny, but Danny denied to come, and he vanished into the blue light. But there was a lady standing now.
Excuse me, auntie. Hey, I'm not your auntie. I'm Miss Pipi, and you can call me Dr. Pipi. Okay, but have you seen my brother? Yes, he must be travel somewhere. What? Travel? Yes. If you want to find your brother, so you have to go in future or maybe in past. What is future and past? You don't know about this. Okay, I will give you one machine. So take it. And it is chronometer machine. And it is chronometer machine. And you, by the help of this machine, you can travel in future or maybe in past. Oh, and it is press for right button in future or press for left button in past. Okay, and if you want to return back, you press the center button. You take it. Please press the button. Right. Okay, I want to trust on you, but you have to prove yourself. Yes, it is our law. Now you can choose. You want to go in school or zoo? I want to go into school. Okay.
Okay, just come with me.
Okay.
So, students, now I am going to ask you some questions. And who will have answered, that person will get whatever the person wants. So, my first question is, what is the capital of India?
Sir, may I say, may I?
Yes, you can.
Sir, the capital of India, Kulagala.
No, you need to go out. Please.
Okay.
Okay, my second question is, what is the capital of Delhi?
May I, sir, may I say?
Yes.
Okay. I don't know about this answer. This question about answer.
Okay, you also need to go. Hey, come here. You are the new student.
Yes, sir, I'm new here.
Compose yourself innocent. You have to give me an answer of my one question.
Yes, sir, I will.
Okay, so my question is, what is the strongest day in a week?
if I give answer, then can I get my brother?
Yes, of course.
Thank you so much, sir.
So, just give me the answer.
Sir, please say.
The question is, who is the strongest day in a week?
Sir, the answer is Saturday and Sunday because they are last days of the weekdays.
Hey student, shut up. Your answer is absolutely correct.
Thank you so much, sir.
For this correct answer, I will give you one slip and just take this slip and just search your brother.
Can I find my brother?
Yes, by this you can find your brother.
Danny! Danny!